Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Strolling Diaries. This video is about our trip to Rishikesh and here we will show you where we stayed and the amazing places to visit there. And here we are at the Grand Shiva Resort and Spa. This is their reception area. Now we are entering in our cottage room. This is truly one of the best of the cottages room we have ever stayed and it has all the amenities. This is the outside view of the hotel. At the back of our hotel, you can enjoy the adventure activities as well. At night, we thought of visiting Triveni Ghat, which is very popular in Rishikesh. At night, the cottages looks extremely beautiful. Next morning, we visited the place Phool Chatti. This is also a point where all the river rafting activities begin. Then after we visited the beautiful restaurant at Rishikesh, rooftop restaurant Neeraj Ganga Heritage Palace. This restaurant is exactly beside the river Ganga. From the balcony of this restaurant, the Parmarth Ashram Ghat can easily be seen from there. Thanks for watching.